Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, and this is another episode on Vietnam, and this is the famous train street in Hanoi. Located in Hanoi's old quarter, this narrow alley attracts travelers hoping to snap a picture on the active train track and even catch a train pass by. This alley is actually a residential area, and many locals have converted their houses into little cafes where you can sip a traditional egg coffee while waiting for the train to pass by, which happens a couple of times throughout the day. But be careful, as the street can get really busy. Explore Train Street and other back streets and alleyways of Hanoi. You can see people from all over the world coming here, sitting on both sides of the track to enjoy the beautiful scenario, especially the shops decorated with lanterns. However, you are expected to buy something from any of the shops, either a cup of coffee or a mug of beer. This track was built by the French in 1902 and is still an active railway line as of 2024. The train passes at around 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. daily on the railway line between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City in the south. The alley is so narrow that local residents must remove their personal belongings, including bicycles and children, before the train passes. The place has become a tourist hotspot, but local authorities banned this place in October 2019 for security reasons, fearing the probability of a severe accident. Tourists would often stop and take pictures to post on social media. Once a train stopped just meters away from a woman who was busy taking pictures of herself with the train behind her. And now we are lucky, our train is arriving. The shopkeepers request all the customers to just stand up and clear the tracks and allow the train to pass. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this unique experience with me. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press that bell icon. And if you have happened to like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Bye bye, take care till I see you in my next video.